Okay, I want to get right into it. I'd like to make an electric wall lamp and have the wires run inside a pipe. And you guys know me, I don't feel like buying a pipe bender, and so I scratched my head some and I came up with this simple method to make a smooth bend. I want to give a big shout out to Jerry S. Hodges for his latest donation. Thanks a lot, Jerry. At first I thought to make this 90 degrees, but then I figured to go a bit beyond 90 since I want the pipe to bend to 180 degrees. Since I never did this before, I just wanted to go slow, and so I took 3 heats to get the angle I wanted. At this point, just a few gentle taps and adjustments complete this bend. I see a lot of potential for using pipe bent at various angles for different projects. I'll continue and show the results in upcoming videos.